Baby girl, did you have a magic blowout? Is that why we had to change you? Did you have a magic blowout? Huh? Magic blowout. Time to party. Magic blowout. Time to party. In the blowout, it's extra stinky. It's a blowout. It's extra stinky. Yes. Hey, I know what you need. Better. All better. And how about some socks? Yay, socks. And how about some mittens? Perfect mitten time. And what else? How about some pants? Perfect. What else do we need? How about a sweater? Someone's looking fabulous. And I know what I need. What? You know what you need? You need a boat. You got your boat. Extra stinky. Oh, okay. I know what you need. You need, a mat. Here's one. All I need is a baby. Perfect. Stinky girl. Stinky, stinky. Oh, stinky, stinky. Stinky, stinky. You playing something, Stinky? Playing something for mommy? Go, Stinky girl, play me a tune. 5 and a 6 and a 1 and a 2. Good girl. Okay, I'll let you play. Go ahead. Go ahead, okay, I'll let you play, Baby girl, here. Okay, there you go. Okay, solo act, this is a solo act. I didn't know. Hope you like your little play area for now. Until we upgrade.